In the lower elementary classroom, students continue to learn and work with tangible materials on the way to working abstractly. This cube of trinomial work teaches and allows students to practice finding patterns and spatial relationships. The child is taught through demonstration to systematically deconstruct and reconstruct the cube. Each cube has a control image on the lid of the box, which may assist the child. Another work that's frequently used in the lower elementary classroom is the checkerboard. Students use colored beads based on their value to solve multiplication problems. We then set up our problems using their multiplier and multiplicand tiles and begin laying out our beads. Our horizontal tiles represent our multiplicand, or the number bead we will take out of our box. And our vertical row of tiles represents our multiplier and tells how many times we take out our multiplicand. We then simplify our beads to make everything neat and tidy to record our answer. This checkerboard work is similar to other works in the lower elementary classroom in that it can be used as an introduction to multiplication, but it also can be used for more advanced multiplication problems as the students continue to progress through their materials.
Very good, my friend. That was a tough one.